ugly chicks.
I love those ugly
Yo,
chicks,
yo,
dog.
Las Vegas with class, nigga.
I love
Fuck
those
this
girls
shit.
with STDs, dog.
STDs, tell me the story, dog.
I fuck a dirty pussy all day and night. I want that STD right in my dick tonight. But if you wanna stop me from getting an STD, then you can go shoot yourself for fucking with me. Yeah, I like those ugly chicks that are in the band. I love them so much, I wanna be the man. Cause I'll stick a trumpet right through their fucking ass. And then I'll show them how to do it. Then I'll play them a song and blast. In their fucking pussies. Yeah, because they're such freaks, cause they're so ugly.
STD!
They get the dick, but they can get mine. All day, they're always on my mind. I'll play the trumpet, play the flute, all for them. Till we start to get fucking words. Do I begin? Diego, we always rolling with the fat bitches, never really stopping, and we ain't being snitches. And if you wanna fuck with us, then I'll put you on the bus. Almost like a girl who's bigger than that. Oh my god, love the fat. Yeah, then I love to fucking in the pussy. Then I like to rap about how I did it, how I want it all day long. Yes, I like to see that pussy shit with the thong. Oh my god, with the extra large. I can't do it, but there ain't no one. Yeah, and I'll get him drunk. Then we'll fuck all day in my trunk. But the bitch can't fit in my trunk, cause she's so fat, but it's all day. I'll keep on hitting that, yeah.